Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode. My name is Damien and I'm a product designer located in Stockholm, Sweden. And today I will be talking about Figma. And hopefully I will be giving you enough insights on how the tool works, the pricing, the features, basically everything you need to know to determine whether or not Figma is right for you. I get a lot of questions from friends and from colleagues regarding the whole hype of Figma. And one of the hot topics is whether or not people should start using it. So first off, one of the things that Figma does really good is this low bar of adoption and this super gentle learning curve, which means that they've taken market standard features and the features that they know designers love, which makes it super easy to adopt, and it kind of makes you feel like you've been working with Figma all of this time. So Figma has some really neat collaborative features, like being able to drop feedback through comments straight into the file. They also support real-time collaboration and something they call observation mode, which basically allows you to observe and follow another user along. They allow you to do prototyping right in the application itself. So by going into the prototyping tab, you can begin linking any component to another view. Start applying interactions, transitions, easing effects, and all of this allows you to create quick prototypes that you can use to either get a better feel for your design or to do user testing. They also have support for components, which in Sketch is known as symbols. So this allows you to create one core component that you can use throughout your entire Figma file. Or you can take multiple components and turn that into a library that can then be shared across multiple projects and teams. Any changes to that core component will propagate to its siblings accordingly, and this will help you keep track of your files and make sure they're nice and tidy. So Figma actually allows for a bunch of awesome plugins. So plugins like Content Reel that generates content to your text components, Unsplash that helps you fetch those awesome images, or Contrast that helps you maintain high accessibility within your design. But these are just a few examples that I use. Go check out the entire list on figma.com. So looking back at all of these features, do I feel like Figma is doing something unique or groundbreaking? No, I don't think so. I mean, a lot of other companies are doing similar things, but why is Figma so much better at it? I think the big differentiator here is that Figma has taken all of these tools that they know that companies need, and they've neatly packaged it into one application that helps design, collaboration, and prototyping. And I think that's the main reason why I feel like Figma is the right tool for me, because it removes all of the friction having to work with multiple applications. So Figma comes in 3 different pricing tiers: the free starter tier, the professional for $12 per month, and the organizational for $45 per month. Now, I'll assume that some of you guys are new to Figma, and I'll also assume that you will be looking at the free tier to begin with, which in my opinion has an amazing proposition. You can have up to a total of 3 projects, 30 days version history, you can be up to 2 editors designing at once, and you have unlimited cloud storage and unlimited free viewers. And this is an amazing setup for either a small startup or if you're a freelancing designer. And more importantly, Figma has support for both Windows and Mac OS, and what's completely crazy is you can use Figma directly in your browser with no application needed. They also have mirroring apps for iOS and Android to help you preview your design directly in your phone. And the other pricing tiers become way more relevant the more your design team scales, with features supporting design systems, fonts, team libraries, and more company-related features like activity logs and single sign-on. And you will be able to see an entire list of features included in the different tiers on figma.com. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you got some more insights about Figma, and hopefully it got you excited about trying it out. This is one of the first videos I've ever done on YouTube, so if you guys have any feedback, don't be shy, drop it in the comment section below and let me know if there are any topics that you want me to cover in the future. So I'll see you guys later. Take care.